CDC developed this course for clinical and public health laboratory professionals, and by the end of the training, learners will be able to identify the major parts of a Class II Biosafety cabinet, or BSC, demonstrate how to maintain positive airflow within a BSC, and demonstrate how to prepare for work in a BSC. Future updates to this course will focus on building skills beyond setting up a biosafety cabinet, such as how to clean up spills, safely remove materials, properly decontaminate and shut down a BSC, and conduct emergency shutdown procedures.
You know what's growing down on the farm? GMOs, or genetically modified organisms. Among the GMOs available in the US right now, corn, soybeans, canola, sugar beets, cotton, alfalfa, potatoes, summer squash, apples, papaya, and pink pineapple. A farm-raised Atlantic salmon and pork from a type of pig have been approved for food use, but you may not see them in the market because they are not widely available. Most GMO crops are used in food for animals, but a few fresh fruits and vegetables are available in GMO varieties, including GMO apples that don't brown as fast when you slice them, and potatoes that don't bruise so easily. Summer squash. There's a GMO papaya and a pink pineapple. But these GMOs aren't widely available. Still, a lot of GMOs end up here, in your local grocery store, in packaged foods. GMO soy oil and protein are often used as ingredients in foods. There's even a GMO soybean specifically developed to make a healthier cooking oil. And GMO corn is often used to make cereal, crackers, and other snacks. Certain types of GMOs have a disclosure. That lets you know if the food or ingredients you are eating is a bioengineered food. Oh, and that sugar in your iced tea? There's a good chance it's from GMO sugar beets. So you see, GMOs are all around us. From farm to table, they're a big part of our food supply.
Our last term, biosafety. What is biosafety? Biosafety is the prevention of large scale of biological integrity, focusing both of ecology and human health. When we use any genetically modified plants, animals, and microorganisms, we can follow the specific guideline or rules. It is called biosafety guideline or biosafety rules. Biosafety is related to several fields. In ecology, in agriculture, in medicine, chemistry, and exobiology, we must follow the biosafety guideline when we use the different genetically modified organism or genetically modified plants. Precaution taken during handling process and biohazard material. Inhaling risks, pipetting, making, sparing, opening culture, checking blood, centrifuging, ingestion risks of precutaneous exposure, beads and scales, handling of blood and other pathological materials, decontamination and decomposition of infectious material. So when we use different types of biohazardous material, we must maintain the precaution to save their own health. Introduction of biosafety guideline. What is biosafety guideline? Biosafety guidelines cover all the involved in the field of trial genetically manipulated plants, animals, and microorganisms. We follow some biosafety guidelines. We must follow the different types of SOP, standard operating procedure, and we must follow the standard GMP, good manufacturing practice, for the safe to own and also the specific product. Genetically modified crops. By the use of genetic engineering, we can produce different types of plants in the agricultural field. This type of crops is called genetically modified crops. Example of genetically modified crops: alfalfa, apple, bean, cotton, cowpea, maize, soybean, and others. Different GM foods that are available, approved by FDA.